learn to take things in your stride. As things happen in your life, we look at it with the eye of the Quran. What that means is you look at it the way you are taught by the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he lost his children one after the other, guess what? He was sad. He even cried tears. It's normal. I'm a human, I'll cry. Crying is not a bad thing. It's the way humans were created to process certain emotional conditions. It's normal to cry sometimes. It's okay. But you will not utter that which is displeasing to Allah. And you will ask Allah to make it easy for me. Oh Allah, you tested me with a massive one. Make it easy for me. Oh Allah, make it easy for me. Help me. Give me the sabr. Oh Allah, give me the sabr. Call out to Allah. Make dua to Him. Supplicate. Ask Him. He will give you. He will give you. When you say, Astaghfirullah, oh Allah, I seek your forgiveness. Are we not taught to repeat it many times? So many times a day. The Prophet ﷺ used to seek forgiveness many times a day. 70 times. Sometimes it is said up to 100 times a day. Can I say something to you? Do you know the reason why we repeat seeking forgiveness? Is it because we are doubting the mercy of Allah? Is it because we are doubting the mercy of Allah? No, definitely not. It is because we want the status that we have and the connection with Allah to be stronger and the status to be elevated. That's what it is. When you say, oh Allah, forgive me. Imagine for a moment I did something wrong to you, right? I did something wrong to you. And I'm so embarrassed about it that whenever I see you, I just remember that thing and I say, hey, listen, I'm sorry. You say, nah, it's okay. Done, forgiven. When I see you again, I say, hey, brother, I still think that what I did to you was so... I say, don't worry, it's okay, man. It's over. Right? Why did I repeat it? Because I thought of it and I said, no, man forgave me, but you know what? Let me say it again. And then when I see you after 2 years, hey, what's up, my man? Hey, I still feel it in my heart. You know what I did to you was like this. To be honest with you, it's got nothing to do with me doubting the forgiveness. It's got to do with the fact I'm embarrassed, number one. Number two is, it will solidify the connection, and when you have a connection with Allah, you have nothing to worry